Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an existing Microsoft account or Azure AD Work account, and a verified email. Open the Teams web client or install the desktop app. This speeds up ID creation. Once done, click Sign In and choose Create Account if you need a new Microsoft ID. Use a work email for organizational features or a personal account for basic Teams. Make sure to set a strong password and verify your email. This avoids later verification delays and keeps your ID ready for Teams access. You now create the actual Microsoft ID. Type your full name, enter the email, and pick a username that isn't already taken. Follow prompts to set a secure password. Use a password manager if possible. When prompted, enable multi-factor authentication. This protects access and is often required by organizations. Once configured, accept organizational policies if using Azure AD or finish personal account setup. Then sign into Teams. This links your new ID to Teams services and provisions, chat, calendar, and file. You finish by signing into Teams and confirming your profile, display name, and organization settings so colleagues can find you. Sync your calendar and join a test meeting to ensure audio and permissions work. If features are missing, check for app updates and restart. Clearing the Teams cache often resolves stale state. If email verification or Azure AD provisioning fails, resend verification and resign. Make sure DNS and tenant invites are correct. Contact your IT administrator only if tenant-level issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.